Honestly, I relate to a little of Chitrangada and a little of Prachi, a combination of both. No, because it's a fact. That's why I am with
Can you
both.
please elaborate the combination?
Because I can't get into like nitty-gritty details, but that's why I'm with two girls in this film, and there are beautiful qualities about both the girls. Chitrangada का जो character है is Anushka. Anushka is a very independent yet emotionally vulnerable, strong girl, and Prachi is a real life self. She's always bubbly, smiling, and giggly, and sweet, and so I think a combination of both is the perfect thing that any man would want to dream of having.
I think it's on John's face. He's really charming. That's John, and he's a true blue Parsi boy. He's going to be a surprise package in this film because...
You think so?
I think so.
I think he completely relates with the character.
Yeah.
I think he just slipped into it. It's like seamless. You don't know where's John starting, where is Ishan finishing. I seriously think he's fantastic in the film. It's just been great working with him. Great energy on the sets when he's there. He's good.
I'm just really happy that Kapil, Goldie, Shrishti, they finally saw the hot, sexy Prachi in me. I was tired of playing 10 years beyond my age. I love the roles that I've played so far, and I know that they're important to me.
ये ईशान का जो phase of life है, मैं वहाँ से गुजर चुका हूँ. Most men are selfish, a little selfish, if not completely, self-centered. खुद को बहुत प्यार करते हैं, and they only talk about themselves. And I'm sure women at some point who have their husbands, who have their boyfriends, would probably agree with what I'm saying. तो अगर उस ईशान से मैं quality अपने अंदर adopt करूँ, तो I think it'll be the Ishan looking in the mirror saying, who's the best? Who's the best? I'm the best. क्योंकि उससे ये ego की बात नहीं है, but I think you get a lot of self-confidence. अगर मेरी एक quality है जो मैं ईशान को देना चाहता हूँ, then I think it is patience. I think I have a lot of patience जो ईशान में नहीं है इतना. और ये फिल्म उसी के बारे में है, how he becomes a better human being, how he becomes more patient, and how he becomes a man from a man child with the women in his life.